Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen clearly. So today I want us to look at our charts and use this indicator here. This is just a normal trend indicator. As it is now, this is a very good uptrend on the 15 minutes time frame. You can see that the price started giving us a buy signal from around this area. As we are speaking now, we are still very much biased. So this is the levels we're looking at. We are looking at this high. This is the previous day's highest high. And then we also have this level. This is the level which was broken just some few minutes ago. So as it is right now, we are into a very good buy position. We are looking for buy orders. We expect the buyers to push price to the upper side, which means we are still into a very good buy. If the price can pull back and touch this line here, then that should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So we're basically just waiting to see what happens. We are not going to look for sell positions as it is now. We are just looking for more buy orders and more places to look for buy positions from. So our target, if you pick a buy successfully, our target is that the price should continue up, at least up to somewhere along this line, along this red line here, but you should not break above it, because overall on the daily time frame we are sellers, but on the 15 minutes time frame we are actually headed to the upper side. So the buy we are seeing here is just a pullback on the daily time frame and should not go above this line here. So that's why I'm insisting on a sell position. If you sell it, expect the sell. If you buy it, expect the buyers not to break above this line. If this line is broken, then expect them not to go beyond this level here. So that's it for Euro USD. My next instrument is a GBP USD. On the daily chart, we are still sellers. We are still very good sellers. So the buy which you're seeing currently on the daily, on the 1 hour time frame, this buy here is actually just a pullback. So we don't expect it to continue beyond this line, this red line here. If that line is broken, then we want to see a buy signal. But as it is right now, we are basically just waiting for a sell. We expect that pullback to continue upwards, at least up to somewhere within these two lines. So if the price goes up and up to somewhere within these two lines, then this will give us the best place to look for a sell from. So continue looking for buy positions on the lesser time frames. On the 15 minutes time frame, 30 minutes time frames, expect the buyers to push price upwards, but that buy should not go beyond this level here. So the next chart is US dollar Japanese yen. So this is a pullback. The sell we are seeing now is actually just a pullback. So we don't expect this sell to continue down and break below this point. If the price goes down, then we want to see a buy from around this area here. So whoever is looking at the chart on the 15 minutes time frame or the 30 minutes time frame, he should expect that the price should continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So I hope that makes a lot of sense. That should make a lot of sense as you're speaking now, that the price should continue down up to this point here. My next instrument is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil, so far, as you said yesterday, this is a sell. We are looking for more sell positions. So we have a shape here, and we have another one from the top. So it's like the price is within an expanding but descending wedge formation. So we do have a level here. Naturally, what we expected is that if the price bounces off from the lower side, as it has done now, we were expecting that the price was supposed to continue up to the line we have at the top, then go straight to the lower side. So this could have been the correct place to look for a buy from, and this could have been the correct place to look for a sell from. So we could have bought it here, we could have sold it there, could have bought it here, we could have sold it there. But as it is right now, we are waiting for the price to at least break above this point before it can confirm for us that the price is going to continue in that direction. So if the price fails to break above this point, these two lines, then that stage could be the correct place to look for a sell from. Otherwise, this is going to be the best place to look for a sell from the line we have at the top. So my next chart is Euro USD, gold. So gold, as I said yesterday, we are looking for a buy from around this line here. So this is a very good support from the past. It is 1696.45. As long as the price does not clearly break and close below it, this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. So if the price breaks and closes below this point, then we expect the sellers to push price even lower. My next chart is the SP500. So with the SP500 so far, we have a very good level here. This is like a shape. It's like it is when it is forming. So it's possible that the price is likely heading to the upper side as it is now. We expect the buyers to push price upwards, at least up to the line we have at the top, so up to somewhere along these two trend lines here. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.